school fees.
Yes, and welcome back. The program now asks either to our viewers who they watch us for GoTV channel 98, that is Star Times channel 195. If they also watch us for free to air channel 57, My TV channel 17, and if you also they watch us for online, that is www.wazobiatv.tv/live. The program now asks either and at the Tierra edition will be Monday now will carry coming away. Chukwudi Studios and our honorable Madam Folashade Oba also Day Studios, and we'll quickly go through the stories we will be given now. We tell about our one-time president, Oga OBJ. We come out advocate for say we could get a strong political strong party with the leaders, and also and the opposition will also feel counter. We also telling about Rotimi Akeredolu, who don't eventually emerge as the APC candidate for the governorship election where they come up. And from there, we also telling about the U.S. congressman we don't foresee Nigeria leadership talk say our God president say na strong hand. The hand of military, that is they take the rulers. And from there, we also tell them about waiting Oga Dino Melayo, that is the Oga Dino Melayo, waiting talk. Say make Oga President, make a quickly sack 3 strong people, and that is Eudoma, then this person, the Minister of Finance, and also the Minister, the Governor, CBN Governor. And finally, we also tell them say from a particular meeting where they hold, where some strong NNPC hold, they talk say 1545, that is the 145 price of fuel. If they say no, they visible again. Say they go need to do it. You look if they will feel upgrade them again. And Madam Folasha, they see this studio that will be asked one question before we go for that break. And the question will be asked now about waiting a senator, a congressman from USA, where you don't foresee about Nigeria. What do you think about this particular talk?
Not be good say somebody go the right say our president na tyrant. But the thing where in talk, he gets small K for inside. Because he talks say the money then they give us. Make them make sure say use them. He said make them even not give us. But the thing when they talk say make we take care. Say when they give us money, make we use the money for the thing where we say we want they can do. You know? So he gets some better Niger people. And he gets some people where they just day out to sabotage.
Saboteurs.
This our country. And you know, even our president talk, he say when they fight this corruption, we go expect say corruption go fight back. And so when 2 elephants they fight, sometimes they say na grass.
They suffer.
Now they suffer. So God could just help now. Make all of us make we truly put Niger matter for our heart, pass our pocket. Because it be like say everybody they interested just for them pocket. So as people even want help us, then they help us. Make it not be say somebody go just say when the money come again, they hijack am.
They hijack am.
Because even if now you we no be Nigerian, you they hear the kind money. In the past 1 year now, where we don't give when we don't they talk say billion, trillion, this one still, and nobody say they no steal that money. It go be like say that number, true say that number they exist at all. So anybody where they hear them, it go fear. But the only part where me I no like now make it say they insult our president, say na tyrant because you know they good. He they do his best for now. Say make the kind level where we dey, we no expect say we go dey there.
Very true.
But not be today this thing start. It don't take how many years ago. So as we all dey that time, now we don't say make we quickly, make we salvage
The situation.
The situation. So now you might see.
Very true. We not go to waste too much time on top of this one because he himself admits inside the letter say the president they try fight endemic corruption when we say they cause problem when they impoverish the people. But based on say Oyibo people, most of them they come and can't talk anyhow without evidence. He be give instances of where he be like say somehow we do things when we say based on democracy somehow we just be like say now still hand of military na him show for inside there. But we go dey hope say our Oga President, based on say don't come and talk, say okay, Nigerians give am the mandate to serve and to comot Nigeria from the kind bad situation when we say some people, whether dem dey APC or PDP, dem put us into because of their own personal interest. Say we comot from there, we go continue to dey support government when they committed to change. From that particular story, we enter another one. As I mentioned, PDP and APC, the ruling and the party when they for the opposition. After the meeting when this Oga President get with Senator Ali Modu Sheriff, he come and contact the way when we say these two political parties dey. Say it be like say we no get parties way strong inside Obodo Nigeria. He talk say the ruling party no fit claim say them be the strongest party for the center because of the arrangement. And he also talk say the opposition party, the way when we say that they find themselves, when we say everything turn double for where them dey. Say it be like say that one to the issue. How you take things say we as Nigerians go fit get party when we say in our own interest, na in that they represent, and they do their best to use say okay, they move this our country forward and no be about personal pocket of some politicians.
You know, as Oga Obasanjo talk, some get head of APC, leg of PDP, and some. So as in talk, for true spirit of democracy, it good make it be say we get small balance. But if na me go talk, if the whole country self be
if the whole country
self be APC, I know my because I'm my own party. But for the spirit of Nigeria,
And for the spirit of democracy
it good make we get small balance and check. I think say na the interest of that. Na him Oga Obasanjo talk. And he come warn am say even that PDP say make they no let am die. Say the pikin when he carry, make that pikin no die because it be like say the pikin he don dey stress plenty. So I'm not sure say I be the best person to advise them make the thing no.
Because it be like say you they talk and say if the thing go dey the way when the thing dey, make APC they control everything.
But going, you don't talk about then in a democratic set way, a typical example of Nigeria will be say everybody get interest, everybody get people followership, everybody get waiting who then they feel clinch to. Okay, we'll say the person I like because of in policy. Say it go the idea just like you talk, say for us to get a very strong political platform, we go feel say okay, see this ruling party, then they get a right here, then they get a right here, then they get a right here. Make we feel come out, make we feel tackle there. Going by the pictures that we see on your own side, self, what do you say will also fit? I will also fit 10 Nigeria and say, okay, make we get sure say we'll get that strong platform. So at least somehow we'll also fit contest for the system. But before then, we'll collect this call from one of our callers. Okay, I plan say we don't lose that call. So after I talk, what to be that way if you tell Nigerians, maybe also get themselves involved for the system, so that at least we're going to see yes.
You know, we like to say now one person palaver to solve all the problem. But all of us must take am for our own side too. The one way there for our domot, make sure say we dey accountable and responsible. Say all of us must dey in charge.
Involved.
Yes, we must dey involved. No be say we want the easy way out. Make somebody else go do all the wahala. We just want take all the benefits and enjoy. You say, wetin you fit do for your country, not be say only wetin your country
fit do for you.
So in that talk, make all of us, make we concentrate on being the better person, the change wey we really want see for this country, make it be say, now we do am. Now, so me, I think.
Very, very true. We get Oga Paul. Oga Paul, they call us all the way from Aja. Oga Paul, good morning and welcome to RC The Hot.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
You know the truth about this, let's start from our petrol.
Okay.
Far back 3 months ago, I mean 2 months ago, they increased it to 145. Remember, I called you to tell you, say, this 145 will go up more than this. And it's not a deal. That one, now, waiting the government know this sincere right from the one where they increased that one. So now that they see the realities on ground, which is not fair. That's to our recession issue. I want to ask one question. Minister of State of Labour, who died a few months ago, may so rest in peace. That position still dey vacant today. What is to happen? Why they don't fit put somebody? Because now work and everything now they down. People now they lose work. Our Minister of State of Labour will help the Minister
of Labour himself, yes.
no dey there to coordinate. Now that post dey vacant. Back to PDP. Amadi Sheriff, you don't show say na him they're supposed to call that tyrant. Because now the fashion party na don okay, they don't use to waiting it talk. They won't come Abuja hold conference. Now they talk to me Makarafi and the rest resign. Now no be longer Wiki and Fayoshe. So what do they talk about? That's the say this sheriff not really dey in best interest of PDP or opposition. Then our Dimo Melaye sacking our minister. Yes, it's sincere. Because if you go back to previous administration, our Jonathan, I believe for between 1 year to 2 years, he sacked many ministers. He refurbished in cabinet because the people who did not agree work the way they want work, and they sack them, they put new people. So I see no difference why this current government not do the same. Thank you.
Very, very true. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. The way we say you take address plenty of the issues when we raise. Oga Polycarp, they call us all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to As in a Heart.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I greet you, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Ugobi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Balaba.
Good morning, sir.
You're welcome to our studio.
Yes,
the thing what happen nowadays is making me cry. Because this is our government. I think democracy they say is a government for the people, by the people. But this one, my government for the rich, and not for the less privileged. Kerosene is the most commonest fuel in Nigeria, which every poor person can afford. So they Google more food where you find. The government may talk about that. About fuel, this and this. Where we take the right idea as well about. They think maybe we top performance is what I use kerosene. No, they include in this government. It is very, very bad. If you wait for there, Mrs. Bolota, you should talk to the people in charge, the AP people. Let them remember kerosene. And if they want to stop this deforestation of trees and all these things, they should bring down the price of kerosene. It should be now kerosene is about 250 in Enugu.
250. Even for Lagos.
More than fuel. You don't think anything about that. Okay, coming to the thing where the House member talk for US, I think it's not the truth. But the truth is always bitter to swallow. President, think that military tactics or life they there for him, but he never change. So he can to perform himself to a Democrat. So he's not identified and everything. Taking on the military regime. Even the senators, I think we hear how much they say they spent on them for the last 11 months. Still for how many billion. And they don't care whether the people will suffer or not. It's not their business. They just stay there. They can do everything free, car free, flight free, whatever number of them, but they use that generator, all those things. The type of government we are looking for. See what's going on in Venezuela. If they're going crossing the border to another country, we'll go and buy things. I remember one time ago, one stupid minister, I'm sorry to use that word stupid, during the Chagall regime, he said the people thought the top things they had, that we begin another begin shop from dustbin. So we from dustbin before they don't say that the people are suffering. The government is making it, and we're tired of it. Under 1 year, 6 months, they wrecked the economy, which was rated the best in Africa.
Oga Polycarp, we appreciate your important contribution. The way you talk am, the way we say the thing they be you for body. Quick one, we go rush enter inside break. When we go break, come back, we'll continue our discussion based on all the action today we'll carry come from this weekend. 5 of them. No go anywhere and still as in a heart. Welcome back to Aside Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television stations when they say the world, Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV. Anywhere now if you watch us, we do on top of online self, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and Aubonga visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Obade inside studio. And we discuss all the action to the way we carry come from weekend. 5 of them. We don't do justice to 4 of these stories. Remain the final one. And that final one, we go discuss and based on say, we see progress. The primaries will happen for inside Ondo State. Oga Rotimi Akeredolu Alenayi emerged as the flag bearer of the APC for the November 26, 2016 gubernatorial elections. But some interesting things don't happen for here. Aside from the fact they talk say some people come pass vote of no confidence on top of the chairman of APC for inside Ondo State, they come carry themselves go Abuja, go do meeting with John Oyegun, say, it be like say somehow the Jagaban talk say in favor one person over the other, and they talk say if they check the history of favoritism, say anybody win Jagaban say na him go win, na him they always they win. But what is going to happen for the election if we even come out the juju and when they go place Ogun head on top of front of their secretariat? Oga Rotimi Akeredolu don emerge as the flag bearer, but some people they talk say the kind of fight when go happen for APC for Ondo State, the thing don't enter the foundation because the thing they very very close. Oga Rotimi poll 669, the person wey follow and poll 638, the other one wey carry third poll 500 and something, the one wey carry fourth poll 500 and something. The people wan talk say na the person wey carry money share pass na him win the election, but we wan check. If Jagaban talk say I've looked all these people and I think this man is the right man, but some people won't come back and say no, you are not thinking the right thinking. We want this person to be. You know, things say somehow, some kind of like not the enter inside the arrangement.
Oga Chukwu.
No, I just dey talk. I just dey talk.
Oh, Diego.
I just dey talk.
Make I tell you, all the, journalists, plenty drama, una like sensation. All of us for that party, una go say this one na pikin get one papa, one mama. When everything is settled, what is important na say we want to win that state. Okay? All the stories say Jagaban no this, so Jagaban, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed, still remains very much our leader. All of us na the same papa, same mama. And if you get brother, sister, everybody, their needs go dey different, small. But the important thing now, say, we go settle our house. The doors go settle. And we go get to the job of true service for our people, which is the business of the day. So, but people, you know, this, so, let's face it, 24 people went into that primary.
And they paid about 2 million.
I don't know.
It make you just hold on. You go continue. Yeah, we got somebody they call us from Oshodi. Good morning.
Hello. Good
Ike,
morning.
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you.
Chukudi, good morning.
I dey greet your guy Ike.
Chukudi, you see, the truth about these things, the whole thing we are talking to say, this government no get clue of governance. Let's be realistic. They've taken us back to 1985, that's the truth. And they are starting from where they stopped, from 1985. And from 1985 to this time, you know how many years it is. And you know how many years it will take us with this government to get where we were before they enter. So they don't get anything. Okay, they are telling us that they will recovering money from, we've been hearing billion, 400. Where is this money? Where have they put in this money? The truth about this thing is that they don't get any clue. I just appreciate your visitor, but I think she's just being economical with the truth. She just been. I don't expect. This is Wazobia. Let's just be truthful about what is happening in this country. We don't get into depression. Not to say we won't go into depression. Now, grammar they will go for us. We don't pass this level of grammar. All of us for Nigeria, we don't pass this grammar level. Don't pass out. What do we need to do now? What do they need to do for us? Implementation. Diversification, we don't hear and say things. These people, they don't know, say, now so this country did before we give them this power. They don't get any vision of any this thing before they don't collect power. Like Muhammad, don't speak grammar, we don't hear about them again. You don't see the truth, you don't stare them in their eyes. Nobody, they don't go quiet now for us.
Oga Ike, from your statement, it is very, very obvious, say, you dey vex. And just like our Ogbonge visitor don't talk, in all honesty, anybody will come out, come talk, say, Nigeria no dey the way anything dey now. The person know they talk through, or the person know they inside this country. Even our Oga president don't talk and severally say, he they feel the pain of Nigerians, he understand. But the government no fold their arms, they do their best to see, say, they improve this our country. Our Ogbonge visitor, what we go do now to encourage Nigerians? Because whether you like them or not, who could be when we say if you go in house before, you must always get bread. he must always get bread. Bread don't begin the scarce now because last time when I follow and talk, it was say bread don't climb up to 300 naira, 400 naira. That kind of money now, if you join small, you're supposed to be travel go Ibadan for bread where person go chop in how many minutes because they always get bread. No, you know what I eat. I do continental. Now the question we want to talk is say, make we encourage Nigerians.
For sleep.
Make we encourage Nigerians. Make Nigerians understand say the government they work. I mean the government know they work.
Hey, I go beg everybody. Make we get small patience, you know. The government, they try, but not be just to mouth to say they try. We must to back them up with something. And the truth, where they there be say, some of our attitude before, we know to prepare for rainy day. So the reality now, fuel price go down. No foreign exchange. Our this, you know, nobody want do farming. Everybody want do fine babe.
True.
You know, even the school self, our children, they not be all of them, they really believe in this education now. Because they say if they go, not be say the essence, they not get the job when they come out. So, but the government, they do a lot of these skills acquisition. Say, make we encourage talent. Make we, you know, so make we begin to look for other direction where it go quickly solve our problem. And that Oga we talk before, he talk about this implementation. Implementation of the policies where they dig ground. Small time now, we go start to see the effect. And I think it go relieve.
Come down.
Yes, it go relieve us.
In fact, they don't talk like the same mother of the house.
Exactly.
So, I mean,
and we go just encourage Nigerians, just like you don't talk and say, make we do our best to also see, say, we contribute to ensuring, say, we get past this difficult situation we face for inside of Obodo, Nigeria. Our people went there for house, I don't hear them. We be enjoying the matter where when we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke, we promise you now say the discussion on top of telephone go start from the start of the show, go reach the end, make una they talk una mind so that those when the leaders go hear what do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. Our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, thank you very much for coming on top of us.
Thank you.
Based on say I be good man, I want safeguard your hand because this one could be like who wants press this your hand.
No.
Until we come back again tomorrow.
I
say, no, I just suspect and see.
Let's go.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.